Cesar Hipona Jr., can I ask you a few questions? Yes.
Mag-mute siya, sir. Mag-mute.
Good afternoon po. Narinig ko kanina, a while ago, na sinabi nyo kay DS Ominal na yung project, yung phase 1, yung sa Laman is already 90% complete, accomplishment complete. Is that correct?
Actually, sir, the term I used was substantially complete.
How about the number, 90%? Narinig ko galing sa iyo yun eh, 90%.
No, sir, 100%. Substantially 100% na ang project.
Okay.
Substantially complete, which means
meron ako kasing nakuhang video, pinadala ng isang concerned citizen dito sa COMSEC kay Committee Secretariat. They sent it through email. Kinuha to kahapon. Piplay ko lang sa'yo para makita mo na kinunan yung project. Can you react after you watch it? Okay, thank you. Thank you. I'd like to get your comment kung 100% po yan.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Because when we say 100%, sir, it is 100% as per program of work or as per contract. And the
So ibig sabihin meron pa tayong phase 2.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes,
what is the phase 2? What does the phase 2 cover?
You mean phase 3 of the project? Kasi phase 1, phase 2 na, may phase 3 ulit. Yung phase 3, sir, we're still waiting for the funds to arrive kasi FLR yan, sir. Once we receive the FLR, then we will proceed with the publication.
So nabayaran na yung contractor ng kasabi nyo 100% na yan eh. Nabayaran na yung 100%.
Hindi pa, sir, 70% pa ang nabayad. Pero as per accomplishment, it is already 100% as per quantity sa contract.
Okay, number 2. Narinig ko kanina that you admitted na yung 4-story kinonvert na 2-story dahil sa soil study nyo na
yes,
the soil can only absorb up to 2-story.
Yes, sir.
Isn't that illegal because the contract is totally revised? Should you rebid it out? Dapat i-rebid yan, di ba? Dahil syempre yung cost, iba na yung cost na yan. Kasi binaba nyo yung building. Kasi ang isang structure, pag pataas ng pataas, mas pamahal yung bakal niyan. Ngayon na binaba nyo sa 2-story, mas konting bakal na kailangan yan, di ba?
Sir, what was bid out sa first
Hello?
partial construction, sir? Partial construction.
Pakiulit po na nawala, nag-lag yung internet nyo. Pakiulit po.
Yung first, although 4 stories, sir, ang na-bid out, pero as per contract, sir, partial construction pa rin. Kasi hindi makasya ang pera. So partial construction pa rin. So ang ginawa namin, ang ginawa ng office nang malaman na walang capacity ang soil, ginawa siya ulit ng 2-story. Pero the same quantity but widen na ang project niya.
Can you submit proof to the committee na yung binid out ng una, yung area na sabihin natin 4-story, na floor area ganito, kasi ang iniisip ko ngayon, nabawasan ng floor area, so overpriced. Yun ang iniisip ko ngayon. So you need to submit proof to this committee na yung 4-story noon nga, 2-story ngayon, ay the same floor area.
Sir, we'll provide you with the approved variation order, sir, para makita lahat, sir. Andun na sa variation
hindi ko
order.
kailangan yung order, kailangan ko yung proof na makita ko na yung floor area ng unang project na 4-story is equivalent sa ngayon na 2-story na, the same floor area. Yan lang po yung kailangan ko.
Yes, sir. We'll provide you with the variation
Okay.
order. Makita
Thank
naman
you.
doon.
Thank you, Engineer Hipona. Thank you po.
Yes, sir.
For the second round, if there is nobody to avail of the first round anymore, we come back to DS Marcoleta. You are recognized again.
Salamat po, Mr. Chair. Pwede po bang balikan natin si Engineer Hipona?
Sir, okay, umalis ulit eh. Si ano, alam niya ba tatanungin niya?
Wala siya.
Baka gusto niyang tanungin si Yusek Echeverry.
Hindi.
Wala
Mr.
din.
Chair, kasi yung mga tinanong mo kanina, meron din akong tanong kaninang
Hindi po na nandiyan.
Ito na, si DE. Hipona.
hello.
Yes, please proceed.
Questions for District Engineer Hipona? Are you on board already?
Hindi ka marinig. Ulitin mo, DS Marcoleta, hindi ka daw marinig.
District Engineer Hipona, can you hear me now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Follow-up questions from the questions left by the chairman of this committee. Tinatanong niya kanina sa'yo na dahil sa original 4 stories ang building, napilitan kayong gawin na lamang na 2 stories sapagkat hindi kakayanin ng soil-bearing capacity. Yun ang sinasabi mo kanina, hindi ba?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Ngayon, ang hindi malinaw yung pagkakasabi mo kanina na siyempre kung bumaba, nawala yung ibang floors, iba na yung value ng building 1. Sapagkat originally it was funded, sabihin na nating 35 million pesos and another 15 million dun sa Malaubang. So nung pinalitan mo yung specifications, ginawa mo na lamang 4 floors, edi dapat hinati mo din yung 35 million, hindi ba?
Sir, 35 million is for Laman. So 35 million itself, sir, will not complete the whole 4-story building. It is only partial construction lang, sir.
Teka
So
muna.
ang ginawa namin,
Teka muna.
so
Originally, yung total project is 50 million pesos.
yes, sir.
Particularly yung phase 1 ng
Yes, sir.
multipurpose building. But the
Yes.
15 million ginamit do sa Malaubang. Kaya originally, ang matitira is 35 million pesos na lang. Para
Yes, sir.
sa phase 1.
Yes,
Kaya
sir.
lang, yung original plan, binago ninyo, ginawa na lamang ninyong 2 palapag yung building. Sa makatwid, mababawasan dapat yung total value ng phase 1, hindi ba? From 35 million, dapat napababa ninyo sapagkat nawala, na-reduce yung 2 floors. Ibig sabihin, 50% ng value niyan, nakatipid dapat kayo, hindi ba?
Kasi sir, ang original plan was for a 4-story structure.
Tama
However,
yun eh. Ginawin natin eh. 4 stories ang structure niyan original. Ginawa na lamang ninyong 2 stories. So, mag-a-apply pa ba yung total na 35 million? Hindi na, sapagkat dapat bumaba na yung cost.
sir, yung 4-story is only a proposed structure. 4-story ang proposed. However, ang pera was only 35 million. Hindi yan makatapos ng 4-story building. Kasi may
Kaya
continuity
hindi
siya.
matapos yung 4 na palapag, ang sabi mo kanina, hindi pwede dahil yung soil bearing capacity is only up to 2 floors. Huwag tayong magpaligoy-ligoy, engineer,
Hindi
ano?
nga, sir.
Kahit
Of
hindi
course.
ako engineer, alam ko ang aking sinasabi. 35
Yes, sir.
million para dun sa 4 stories building. Kaya lang, sabi ninyo, ginawa na lamang ninyong 2 dahil hindi kakayanin ng pundasyon ng lupa.
Yes, sir. 2-story na lang ginawa
ang
namin.
magiging
Pero,
problema, dapat mababawasan yung 35 million which was originally for 4 stories. Yung hinahanap natin ngayon, saan nyo dadalhin yung Saan nyo dadalhin yung kalahati at saan nyo dinala?
Sir, the entire 4-story will cost beyond 35 million. What was constructed was only worth for 35 million. So ang ginawa namin, instead of to wait for another funds para 4-story, we limited the project up to 2-story lang. In fact, we we provided additional rooms up to 2-story na lang. So walang.
Kahit tanggapin ko pa yung katwiran mo, attorney, medyo mahirap paniwalaan yun. Ang ibig mo ba sabihin, yung phase 1 is a continuing appropriation? Hindi pa tapos eh. Sabi mo kanina, 100% na yan. Pinakita sa iyo ni Mr. Chairman yung pinadala sa kanyang video at that was supported by the photographs that I already shown earlier. It was taken yesterday, March 3. Yung bang itsura na yun is 100%? Nakita mo puro bakal pa yung nakalitaw doon? Paano naging 100% yun?
Sir, ang contract natin, sir, is as per quantity, hindi naman sa whole building.
Saan kayo nakakita ng project na nire-report yung 100%, nakikita natin, puro mga reinforcing bars ang nandoon. Sasabihin nyo sa amin ngayon, that was 100% complete?
Sir, we have a scope of work. Meron kaming scope of work. Meron kaming scope of work as to
Alam
up to
mo,
what limit.
engineer, dapat maintindihan nating mabuti ito. You are misleading the public. Hindi po pwede na sabihin ninyo na 100% yung isang project based on the scope of work. Paano mangyayari yon? Kasi gusto ninyong i-jive dun sa inyong PCMA report na pinakita ko kanina that as of January 31, 2021, as of May, 100% na complete ang project. Ibig mo bang sabihin, papapaniwalain mo yung mamamayan na yung litrato na yun na makikita mo, baka sa tingin ko, hindi ako engineer, 15% complete pa lang yun. Sasabihin nyo sa amin ngayon, that is 100% subject
Sir,
to your scope of work. Sinong maniniwala? Anong klaseng report
sir,
yan?
Kung patuloy tayo sa 4-story building, the whole structure, the whole cost would be 120 million more or less. And we're only talking about the 35 million contract. And that in the 35 million contract has a limited accomplishment as to a quantity provided lang sa contract. And that is more or less up to second floor roof beam lang. So
I do not know, engineer, if that explanation will be accepted by the central office of DPWH. Parang ang pinakikita mo, parang ang pinapaliwanag mo, that project is subject to a continuing appropriation.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's why we have phase 3, sir. That's why we have phase 3 of the project.
Granting, sige, palagay mong kaya mong panindigan ang sinasabi mo ngayon. Ang iyong katwiran kanina, originally 4 stories ang building na yan, pero napilitan kayong gawin na lamang na 2 palapag kasi mahina yung soil foundation.
Yes,
Tama
sir.
ba yun? So
Yes, sir.
kahit nilagyan mo lang, kapag nilagyan mo yan ng paano mo niya kukumpletuhin ngayon yan? Hindi mo na pwedeng lagyan ng 3rd floor, tama? Kasi hindi kakayanin ng soil.
Yes, sir.
Tama ba yun?
Yes, sir.
And then you answered the chairman kanina that because of your study on soil exploration, of course that study will be submitted to the office of the chairman of this committee for our evaluation. Hindi na pwedeng dagdagan yan ng 3rd floor, tama? Kasi
Yes, sir.
hindi kakayanin ang lupa.
Hindi na kayanin.
Okay.
So that's why.
Okay, the next question is this. I would like you to carefully study slide 17, which will be shown now. Comsec, pakilabas mo yung slide 17.
Mo ang phase 1, no? Na kuan lang ang phase 1 kay originally that is only 35 million 2-story ug karon imoon nga 3-story para madungagan ang ma-accommodate nga mga beneficiaries. So, thank you, technical.
Engineer, narinig mo ba yon? Did you hear that? Napanood mo yung video clip?
Nga sir, ang proof kasi based on our based on
Teka
our
muna,
study.
tinatanong ko kung narinig mo yung video clip.
Yes sir, narinig ko.
Oh, bakit
Pero-
sinasabi doon, dadagdagan yun ng isang floor para mas marami pang ma-accommodate? Akala ko hindi na pwedeng dagdagan yan.
Kasi ang gusto ni Congressman dagdagan ng
Teka muna, huwag kayong nagsisinungaling. Ang sabi mo kanina, based on the soil exploration, hindi na po pwedeng yan. Kaya nga ni-reduce nyo ng dalawa lang eh. O bakit
Yes, sir.
ngayon, sasabihin ni Congressman, pwede pala. Ano ba talagang sinusunod mo? Yung
Sir.
technical na pangangailangan ng building o sinusunod mo si Congressman?
based on yun ang gusto ni Congressman,
yun
magdagdag
ang gusto
siya.
ni
Yun
Congressman,
ang opinion
pero yun
niya.
ang sa
But based
study
on our
ko,
technical studies, good for two
Sandali lang.
stories.
Sandali lang, puro kasinungalingan kasi yung pinagsasasabi. Kanina, pinapatunayan mo na hanggang dalawa lamang ang kakayanin ng soil exploration. Ngayon, dadagdagan nyo ng isa pang floor dahil gusto ni Congressman.
Sir, it was only a planned by the
O ngayong
Congressman.
plano na naman, Mr. Chair.
Pero as per actual,
Mr.
sir,
Chair,
it is
bahala na kayong mag-conclude dyan kung ang sinasabi ng engineer na ito ay totoo. Pinaglululoko tayo rito, Mr. Chair. Salamat, Chair, Mr. Chair. At magtatanong pa ako sa iba.